screen record, go on him live, as some know. So him telling me that, oh, you could have called me, you could have texted me. That's not what we were doing. I never that you do. So how the call and text reach in? How you gonna make a whole live about something that was not that serious? I never saw it go. You went live and directly tell the people them say, guys, uno si say uno, she tell fi go suck her mother, suck uno mother. Oh God, man. Oh God, obvious you throw me under the bus. Obvious you try to turn the people them against me. That's obvious. Because nowhere shape nor farm me come say that, bro. Me just make the video and me say, oh no live them, oh life sweet. Life sweet, who not live them life, go suck your mother, Ray. Oh, that reached this. And Uno gave me no choice than to come and speak on it because them a promised me and my daughter gunshot. So it gets serious as me tell you. A long time me I hold everything and me not say nothing. I'm still not say nothing. But me I talk about everything that's being said from his live. Me not talk nothing new to no. Nothing when me attack it not new. Nothing when me I say right now it not new. And even after I go so I'm telling Mr. Charge, you know say people are promise me and my daughter gunshot door rate. Him say boy, not even remember when him say come I don't want to tell no lie upon him. Like him I say me don't want to tell no lie upon him. But me tell him say people are promise my daughter gunshot. Me I tell him say everybody are come after me and everything. And he seemed like regretful in a sense. Like him would not say him sorry, but him never directly said that. And then after everything now, you went back live and act like nothing never happened. You not even go live and say, guys, you know say what between me and Khandy business though. Me no want text her and I say this. Because I'm a daughter that you know. I'm a little baby that you know. I'm a 1-year-old baby that you know. Where people are texting me and are chatting me over and misunderstanding and over personal business where me and you have. So for me tell you that and you come back live right after that, come act like nothing happened. So happy go lucky. Like nothing happened. Right there and then you show me say, yo, that are your goal. That was your goal to turn people against me.